Hi, welcome to Hanwha Vision Europe Tech Tips. I'm Gordon, your trainer and guide at Hanwha Vision Europe, and in this video, I'll guide you through using the Projects tab of DesignPro. To access DesignPro online, go to designpro.hanwhavision.cloud. Importantly, check your region in the top right and set it to the correct location. This will affect local measurement standards as well as the product portfolio that's available to you. In my case, I'm based in Europe, and as such, I will select the European region. You'll see the projects page. Each project is a unique solution. You'll notice a warning message at the top stating that all your project files are stored locally in your browser. This maintains privacy and security. However, it also means that you are responsible for backing up the project files. This can be done by selecting the projects and clicking on the Export button at the top. To bring them back into DesignPro, use the Import button. To create a new project, click on the New button on the top left. New Project Settings page appears. Give the project a name to begin. Any notes can be added into the Notes section. This can be useful later as the project progresses. The region can only be set globally for your project and cannot be changed on this page. Client's box is available to put the client's name in. This is for the client who will eventually receive the project plan from DesignPro. The company logo can be added to the project to personalize and make it visually unique. All you need to do is drag a logo file into the box and it will apply along with the other settings after clicking OK. Finally, there are the units of measurements for length in meters or feet and the power line frequency in hertz. As I've set my region to Europe, these are already set to the default values of meter and 50 hertz. However, I can still change them if necessary. Click OK to save the project. The next page to appear is the dashboard, which I will cover in the next video. For now, I will return to the projects page and go over the last few items. Click on the Home icon to return to the projects page. DesignPro is organized into tabs for different purposes. These are immediately accessible via the icons that appear under each project when you hover over it. The icon shortcuts are Dashboard for an overview of the project, Profiles for a view of the parameters of the project to meet, Devices, you can jump here to begin browsing the Hanwha Vision range of edge devices such as cameras, Recorders for information and selection of the recording products, Map, used to visualize the project on a map, Additional for other items related to the project which are not Hanwha Vision products, and Reports, which can generate different kinds of reports depending on your requirements. Each of these items will have its own video. If you need to see one of those now, have a look at Hanwha Vision Europe's YouTube channel page. In the top left of the project, there is a checkbox to select single or multiple projects. They can then be exported, deleted, added to favorites, or marked as complete. In the top right of each project is the favorite star. If checked, the project is marked as a favorite and can be used to filter to only your favorites. This can be useful to quickly filter the list to the latest projects that you are using. Beneath this is the three dots menu, which includes many of the same options as when the project is selected, plus one additional option, Duplicate Project. This option creates a duplicate of the selected project. This can be used to quickly create a new project with many of the same parameters, or to preserve the original project while using the duplicate as a sandbox to experiment with adjustments. Project list can be displayed as either a group of project icons or as a list using the display icons on the top right. To complete a project and make it unchangeable, select a project and click the Complete Projects button at the top or under the Projects menu. Completed projects can be seen under the Completed Projects right at the top of the page. This moves the project from the ongoing projects to declutter your projects folder. A completed project can quickly be placed back into the ongoing projects in the same way. Go to Completed Projects, select the project, and click Ongoing. In conclusion, the projects page separates site projects into distinct project files to keep your work organized and offers a range of useful features. Each DesignPro tab has its own video describing why and how to use it, available in our YouTube channel. Have a look for those now. I hope that you found this video useful. Have a great day. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.